Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a mousse only twist out that I did on my natural hair. I have really been in the mood of making wash day last less than 3 hours, as well as making things nice and easy and quick for myself so that I don't feel like my weekends are spent doing hair and not having fun. So of course I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Before I get into adding the product, I'm making sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated with water. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite mousse, and if you don't know, you know by now, my favorite mousse right now is the Dew Mousse Death. I typically use this product in pretty much all of my hairstyles, so I know I can be very generous with the product because I don't experience any flaking. So I'm making sure that I smooth that product throughout my hair using my Tangle Teaser brush just to make sure everything is thoroughly detangled before I go in with the twist. Now for me, I am going to be doing medium-sized twists today, so you will see that my sections are a little bit larger than what I do for my mini twists. When you are twisting your hair, you want to make sure that you are twisting tightly, and you for sure want to make sure you give those ends a coil. Coiling the ends of your hair around your fingers kind of locks the twist in place, and it kind of gives it a little curl at the end of your hair. Now, I like to work in the back of my head first. This is kind of what I typically do. So I am just going to work my way up row by row, making sure that I am saturating the hair with water before going in with my mousse and making sure that I do my twist as tightly as possible. One thing you want to make sure that you do when installing your twists or braids or any hairstyle is you want to make sure that you throw a few twists or braids in the middle of your hair. This helps prevent the annoying middle part that we all do not like, and it makes sure that your hair falls very evenly and naturally. One thing I noticed about this mousse while styling my hair is that my curls received a lot of definition and defining throughout the process before I even started twisting my hair. So I would really love to see how this product would hold up in a wash and go. I'm not for sure if I tried this before just using the mousse. I usually layer this product with other products when I'm styling my wash and goes, but I think I would like to test it out. The only thing I'm worried about is the moisture. I wonder if my hair is going to feel moisturized, especially as we are heading into these winter months. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and finish twisting my hair all over in the front, and then I will come back when I am ready to sit up under the dryer. And here are what my twists are looking like. They are looking super elongated and moisturized, but before I sit up under my hooded dryer, I am going to add this heat protectant. This is a heat protectant that I had for a while, but I have been in the phase of using all of my products before I buy something new, so here we are. I am going to sleep overnight with my hair just like that, and here's the next day. I am removing my bonnet and my head scarf, and there goes some of that shrinkage. I try not to get upset about shrinkage because it lets me know that my hair is doing what it's supposed to do, which is shrink and be curly. So here's what my hair is looking like. I'm going to section it off so that I don't miss any twists, and I am going to begin the separation process. One thing that I noticed off the bat, especially in the back of my hair, is that it was very stubborn when it came to separating, and if I force any pieces to separate, I began to start causing a lot of frizz. But of course, I had to keep going because I absolutely had to go to work this day. So I am just separating my hair, trying to go with where my hair naturally separates. But in the back of my mind, I already had a plan B on how I was going to get these curls back defined before I went to work. So hold tight. And if you have this challenge when you do your twist outs and you experience a lot of frizz, I got a quick trick that is going to solve this problem, okay? So once I got to the front, I went ahead and grabbed some mousse and I put it on my fingers, and all I had to do was just smooth this product down the strands of my hair, defining each single curl. And this immediately got rid of the frizz and almost gave me some more definition just by adding this product. So I was like, okay, I know that this mousse is very fast drying, so I don't have to stress and worry about that. I just have to make sure that I smooth it down the length of every single curly strand. And as you can see here, you can already see the difference. So I decided to clip it to the side just to make sure that my part was still visible. And I went ahead and took down the other side of my hair and did the same. So because I do have to go to work, I'm on a time crunch, I'm just going to use my handheld dryer to make sure that every curl is in place. And once the clips are moved, you just have to fluff your hair out, give it a good shake to see where it naturally wants to fall. And here are my final results. I am not mad at this twist out at all. I just expected my definition to just be a little bit more on point, but I wonder if my hair is needing a little bit more moisture to have that hold that I'm used to when it comes to my twist outs. And other than that, I was like, okay, I'm not mad, but I really got to see how this product will hold up with just a wash and go. And just to show you all what it looked like for the rest of the week, a couple of days later, here's what my hair was looking like. So I was able to make it to Friday. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.